Hey everyone, this is Chris Holdring, and I'm taking advantage of a little bit of downtime sitting in my car to go ahead and wrap up this latest video for you. What this is about how I prefer to transfer shapes over to the wood in order to get the cutouts that I like to make. Do it a little bit differently than a lot of people do. I've gone and I go to the metalworking sections of hobby stores, and I get a burnishing tool, excuse me, and that's my little secret that I like to use. Watch the video. It's pretty straightforward on how I do it, and it will give you a great way to get those transfers. Again, please subscribe. We really don't want you to miss any of our latest videos, and we hope everybody enjoys. So here's the secret to my success. This is a burnishing tool, and what that allows me to do is, you can tell we've got a nice round ball on the end, and that allows me to get a nice smooth transfer without damaging my paper and my stencil and what I'm using. So using carbon paper, I go ahead and take the carbon paper out, stick it on my wood, put my stencil or my design on the top of it. And you want to make sure you've got the ink side down on that carbon paper, and then I just roll across my lines with the burnishing tool, and that enables me to make a nice transfer over to the wood.